Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing extremely well.
Hey everyone! Welcome to Electrical Coder, where we dive into coding from the perspective of core branch engineers. If you're just starting, you probably have tons of questions like, what should I focus on? Theory or practice? Should I spend more time on concepts or hands-on coding? Hey everyone! Welcome back to Electrical Coder. Today, let's talk about one of the biggest questions for beginners. Should I focus on understanding the theory behind coding or jump straight into hands-on practice? Both are important, but here's the key. They work best together. Think of theory as your guide. It helps you understand the why behind the code. But practice is where you actually apply what you learn. It's like learning to swim. Reading about it only gets you so far until you actually jump in the water. Start by learning basic concepts like loops, functions, and data structures. Once you get the hang of these, immediately try them out in small coding exercises. Every line of code you write will help you understand the theory more deeply. Here's a good rule of thumb. For every hour you spend learning theory, spend at least an hour coding. Projects and challenges make the theory stick because you're actively solving problems. And if you get stuck, that's okay. Debugging is part of the learning process. So don't worry about perfecting every concept before you start coding. Keep a balance, stay curious, and remember, every small step counts. Happy coding, and see you next time.